You know who it is, man. Yeah, Mr. Naked Man himself, man. I mean,
Non-stop records.
yeah, you know what it is, bitch. Yeah, rap song. Non-stop family. Non-stop family. Non-stop family. Non-stop, let go, man. Hey, Bobby Sebongi. Basobona ngenzani. Base bulali bithi bala phala sithi haha sikhale sithi liqala usisi phaka. Bobby Sebongi. Basobona njani. Hit after hit bulala beat after beat in a man. Eqale sithi papa nabe sele lithi sa. Thinking about Dala when I was 16. Stuff I used to do back at the crib, I go make his teen. Girls would go crazy when they hear I'm on the beat. Cause nagging when I was scholar, but already was a big thing. Yeah, it was amazing cause I was famous. Igama la cool, mighty and blessing on my haters. The spanner no madness, some simple they would hate her. Naked Man came to reach us, Abanyesa, we were great, yan. Israel and the rice, I'm shop daily was a breakfast. Spalang a PTF, UGs, ever with trackers. Paperwork production was home, gangela pleasure. Spangena with intimidations, fagele pressure. VOE, best fitties, abuzulisa kanya. Yoni future ited, haha, popisa kanya. They hated for nothing, sabe. Crazy, genati sabe. Spenga genati sabe. Stingele muffin, woo! Bobby Sebongi, basobona ngenzani. Base bulali bithi bala, phala sithi haha, sikhale sithi liqala usisi phaka. Bobby Sebongi, basobona njani. Hit after hit bulala beat after beat in a man. Eqale sithi papa nabe sele lithi sa. I'm not the type of dude most I rap a piece with metaphors, but I'm the type of dude most I rap a piece with better flows and better goals. Among this type of dudes, man, I'm better all. None of hip hop spaminess is so issue like I'm the go. Back in the days, I got 2001 so was making some waves but kalokuntanda bantu not going to bandiyeke cause I thought I was gonna break through. Fuck, kanti ndilenze qa anikezela ndiyekuphupha. NSR non-stop records was a home to many. Xa sithethayo besenza kakhulu apha ekuhlaleni. Naked Man says E4 always better than one. Yeah, you know what I want. Now I reason, I brainstorm, I'm clean with a plan. On this beat, yeah, I click, tweak, I'm mean with the pen.